In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Dropbox not syncing on Windows. Sync problems can pop up for a lot of reasons, but there are a few dependable fixes that solve the issue most of the time. We'll walk through them in a calm, clear order so you can get your files moving again. Start with the simplest move. Quit Dropbox completely, then open it again. Make sure you fully exit the app, not just close a window. On Windows, that usually means clicking the Dropbox icon in the system tray near the clock, choosing to quit or exit, and then launching Dropbox again from your Start menu. This quick reset can clear out a stuck process and refresh the connection. If that doesn't do it, take a look at your file names. Windows doesn't allow certain characters in file names, like colons, and those can sneak in if someone created or renamed a file on a Mac. When Dropbox tries to sync a file with unsupported characters, it can stall. Find the file that's causing trouble, rename it to remove any unsupported characters, and keep the file extension the same so the file still opens correctly. Once you rename it, Dropbox should automatically resume syncing. Next, check your Dropbox network settings. Click the Dropbox icon in your taskbar, open Preferences, then go to the Network tab. Make sure Custom Bandwidth Settings is turned off. If bandwidth limits were set too low, syncing can be painfully slow or appear stuck. Turning off the custom settings lets Dropbox manage speeds dynamically. Confirm your change and close the window. If you're still seeing issues, verify that Windows Firewall isn't getting in the way. Open your Start menu and type Firewall. Select Allow an app through Windows Firewall. In the list, scroll down to the letter D and look for Dropbox. Make sure both checkboxes next to Dropbox are enabled, which allows it on both private and public networks. Click OK to save. If those boxes were unchecked, Windows may have been silently blocking Dropbox's connections. You may need administrator rights to change this. So if you're on a work computer, check with your IT team. As mentioned, syncing problems can be very specific to your setup, but these steps often resolve the most common causes. Work through them patiently and give Dropbox a moment after each change to reconnect and catch up. If this video helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I hope your files are syncing smoothly again.